Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can back up your CapCut projects. So here I've already on my CapCut homepage, and to back up a project you just need to do this. So in here, in the list of your object, you just need to click on the three dots icon beside the project and then click on backup. Then after that you can just wait, and now it's now in the process of baking up. You can also do this for another project like this, and to see the process you can just click on this processing tab like this, and you can see that now the templates the project has been baked up in the CapCut cloud. You can just wait until the process is finished. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.